Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we start tutorial number 3. In this tutorial we design a screen for sign-in activities for our user. You see client user screen, rider user screen and admin user screen. Admin user screen will be used for both restaurant admin and administrator admin. Now we start our project. First of all we create a package name. Client user. Then in client user we create an empty activity. Client user sign in activity. Now click finish. This pop-up menu will ask us if we want to add our screens to GitHub. So check this button remember.ask in and add. Now activity created, and now press Alt Enter to add this file and import class. And now we design client user sign in screen. I am choose relative layout instead of constraint layout. Give background MyBG drawable. Now create linear layout, match parent, height, wrap content, margin will be ADP, orientation will be vertical, center in parent true. Now go to design tab, text and drag and drop text input layout. Go to split again and you see text input layout will be appear. Height match parent. Now padding 4dp. Text color hint Android color white. Box stock color Android color white. Counter text color Android color white. Hint text color Android color white. Hint phone. Oh sorry, linear layout will be match parent. Input type will be phone. Text will be empty because we not write anything in it right now. Android text color will be in color white and text color hint also white. Text size will be 20 sp and now give ID. ID will be text input ID text TIET underscore client underscore user underscore phone, and text input layout ID will be TIL client user phone. Now we copy text input layout and change the ID, phone to password, hint will be password, input type will be password, text password. Now add a button, a material button with match parent, height, wrap content. Text is sign in. Text all caps will be false. Text color will be white. Android background tint will be green. A corner radius will be 10 dp. Now margin left will be 8 dp and margin right will be 8 dp. Margin top will be 30 dp. Now it's look better, and the theme is button theme. Now ID is btn client user sign in. Now create a linear layout. Width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, orientation will be vertical, and layout and weight sum is 2. Now create a checkbox. A material checkbox. Width will be 0 dp because we use weight sum. Height will be wrap content. Layout weight is 1. Gravity will be center vertical. Text will be remember me. Text color white. Text size will be 18 sp. And give a style to compound button dot checkbox. Now create a text view. Text view width will be 0 dp because we use weight sum. Height will be wrap content. Weight sum is 1. Layout weight is 1. Gravity will be center vertical. Text will be forget password. Text color will be white. Text size will be 18 sp. Now give ID to text view. TV for text view underscore forgot password, and also give an ID to material checkbox. Material checkbox ID will be ID CB underscore remember. Now again create linear layout. Width match parent, height wrap content, gravity center, orientation horizontal, and now we create a view. Width 100 dp, height 1 dp, background white, margin start 8 dp, margin end 8 dp, margin top 16 dp, margin bottom 16 dp, now copy the view and paste again. In between two views we create a text view. Width wrap content, height 30 dp, text or text color white, text size 20 sp, now create a text view, match parent, height wrap content, gravity center, text don't have an account, sign up, text color will be white, text size 20 sp, it will not be in center, sorry, width match parent, id txt sign up, now we create a string resources for our hint text, press alt enter, and then press enter and enter. We create string resources. If we use it again, we use as a string, which is we save one time, not we create again and again. Now press Ctrl A and press Alt L for align text. Now go to main activity and create intent for client user. Intent client user is equal to new intent main activity dot this client user sign in activity dot class start activity and pass client user. Now we run the app and check if it is working or not. Now press client sign in, it will be working. Phone number and password. We add one more thing for password. Add and icon mode password toggle. Now run again. Now you see in password section you have an icon for hide and show password. Now create a package For restaurant user, create empty activity, restaurant sign in activity, restaurant sign in activity. Now we copy paste the code from a client activity, copy all code and paste in restaurant user, delete some code we do not need it. Now change the IDs for remaining code. Replace client as user. Replace client for restaurant. Restaurant. Now add a image view, width 100 dp, height will be 100 dp, layout gravity center horizontal, layout margin 10 dp, and source is @drawable.mybg. we have only one image. Now we copy image for folder from folder for admin, copy image. Now paste in drawables. Change the name of the source, admin. Now create intent for starting activity for restaurant user. Replace client user to restaurant user and change the client user activity to restaurant sign in activity. Now create a new package for rider user, and inside the rider user we create an empty activity, rider sign in activity. Press Alt, enter and import class. Now copy code from restaurant activity and paste in rider activity .xml file. Change the ID restaurant to rider. Copy image for rider and paste in drawable folder. Change the image, rider, increase width and height 150 dp. Now it's looking better. Now add a description for image, rider logo. Now create same intent for rider activity in main activity. Now create a new package for administrator, app administrator. Inside the app administrator increase empty activity, administrator sign in activity. Now copy restaurant admin code again and paste it in administrator activity.xml file. Now change the ID's restaurant to administrator. Now in the main activity, create intent for administrator user. Now run the app again and check if all button is working. Client sign in. It's fine, it's working. Restaurant sign in. Rider sign in. Administrator sign in. Let me check what's happened. Sorry, now because we copy paste code, now we change tool context administrator for all activities except client, restaurant, and dot writer dot sign in activity. Not working again. Let me check again. Oh sorry, in the last tutorial we commented the code, so we uncomment it, then run again. Now run again. Now it's working. Now commit code to GitHub. Write a message. Lecture number 3. Design sign-in activities. Now check all boxes and press commit. Don't worry about these warnings. Press commit again and go to the VCS tool and push the code to GitHub. Push. See you in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.